This one here is my New York last year motor. Transmission looks a little beat up, but not too bad. I'd like to run this engine again. I had 0 complaints. It did run a little shitty when I got there, but honestly I think it was just the fact that it was extremely wet. It rained so bad on the way down to Meltdown. So what we're probably going to do is try to figure out a way to get this inside. Because it's so cold, I really don't think the Waldon's going to start. But I'd like to get a compression test done on this and do some fun things like that. So I guess let's try to get it inside here. So after about 15 minutes of thinking about it, I don't want to lift it. So I'm really sorry, Walden. You're gonna get Cosby'd. Come on. Okay, you want to be friendly? Start, buddy. Let's go get the booster pack. So I picked up this the other day. It's been doing me pretty good. I usually been just leaving it in my Tacoma to boost everything, but unfortunately it does not like the cold at all. So hook that up, hook you up. Okay, let's see if we can start her now. Come on! She's not happy. here. The secret is to make sure it gets some hot air. Probably not good for the paint and probably a little bit dangerous. What a good buy, this little booster pack. Pretty impressed with that. You guys want to talk about a workout? Try putting this engine on this cart through this tiny door with that old dinosaur. Just letting the battery charge up on that, but we got her inside. I did have to jump over top of it quite a bit, so I broke the map sensor, which I'm kind of upset about. I broke this thing, which I'm kind of upset about, just because I had to jump over top of it. So as it sits right now, I don't know if we're going to run this transmission. I don't know any of the compression on the engine. There's a lot of things that have to be done for this before it goes in there. So right now I got it inside, so maybe it'll warm up a bit and get all the snow off of it, which would probably be pretty damn nice. But let's go put the Walden away and then we'll do some talking. We got the Walden put away, but unfortunately I think we got the intake a little bit too hot. It's about time we got a new air filter for her anyway. So we got a new one on order already. That one there's probably 70 years old. But we got this thing inside. Now last year we did new coil packs, new plugs, new wires, new timing belt. We're going to go through this engine completely all over again. We're also going to do a compression test and everything like that. And see if it needs anything, because last year I found it ran like shit, but I think it was all electronic. I think the computer got so filled with water on the way down to meltdown, I think that it just couldn't do it. So that's where we are today. This engine's inside. We're melting the snow off it. This engine here is pulled. It is not doing that good. I don't think it was a good engine to begin with, though, believe it or not. So this one's out. This one's getting ready, and we're going to get her in here in no time. But in that time, we're going to go through and we're going to clean up this. We're going to clean up the fuel lines, get rid of the AC. We're going to take the rest of the dash out, get rid of the heater core, all that fun things. Charcoal canister, everything that we don't need. We're even going to get rid of these killer death spikes here. We're going to get rid of everything that we do not need on this engine bay, I guess we can call it. Yeah, this is an engine bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. They're about to release the rules for Meltdown Economy class. I hear some small tweaks and changes, so I'm super excited, guys. So, we'll see you guys back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.